Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing in some glitter. We've got some new glitters from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm obviously not going to put every single one of these on my eyes, but I'm going to demonstrate it as well as the new glitter adhesive. I wanted to kind of play around, see how the glitter adhesive works, see how metallic and shiny and pretty the glitters were, because I'm kind of picky when it comes to glitters for the eyes, because sometimes if they're like too chunky, I don't like them. So I picked out one. Which one did I pick out? This is the shade Electric, and this is what I have on my eyes right now. What I'm going to do, give you guys the 411. I'm going to do a quick, and I mean quick little backdrop for the glitter using the Sultry Palette, and then I'm going to demo how I applied and how easily the glitter went on, how long it has stayed here, and if I'm having any issues with it moving around or anything like that. So let's go ahead and jump onto the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. Each of the loose glitters retail for $15, and they come in 8 different shades. These were sent to me from Anastasia, so thank you. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to be able to like swatch these or like insert. I'm going to figure out a way to show you the colors as true as possible. So we have Crystal Cave, Star Power, Electric, which is the one I have on my eyes right now, Party, Mystic, Teal, Royal, Pink Sapphire, and Blazing Sunset. On the Anastasia website, it says Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Glitter is an ultra reflective metallic cosmetic glitter, which is important because you don't want to put something that's not cosmetic glitter anywhere on your face. And it's for face, body, and hair, and available in 8 different shades. It does not specifically say that it is okay for eye use, so make sure that you do that at your own discretion. Make sure that you are careful, yada yada, but it is cosmetic grade glitter. It says to apply the loose glitter using glitter adhesive, sold separately. That is what we're going to talk about next. Using glitter adhesive brush applicator, apply a sheer layer directly onto the skin, then load loose glitter onto a flat synthetic brush and quickly press glitter into the adhesive. And you want to make sure that you're using a synthetic brush, because natural hair with some glues like this, you can ruin the brush because it will soak it up. Natural hair brushes are porous, so just be careful. Or you can disperse a small amount of adhesive onto a mixing plate, which is what I did, or on the back of your hand. Dip your synthetic brush into the adhesive and then into the glitter, creating a paste-like texture. Then press the glitter directly onto the desired placement. This is what the little glitters look like outside of their box, and I was very happy whenever I opened it because I expected it to be like the MAC ones, like the pigments and the glitters and stuff. They just kind of go everywhere, but there is a clickable lid. Like, this is a lid, and then you can click it up, and it has like that little, like the little holes, and then you can click it back down so you don't make a mess. Love that. Thank you so much, because I don't end up pouring out too much. It makes it so much easier to use, and it doesn't get as messy. Moving on to the glitter adhesive. Now this looks like a little nail polish bottle, and it's very liquidy, so nothing like the Too Faced glitter glue where it's like kind of pasty and you put it on. This is very liquidy. It comes with like a little nail polish applicator. You could use that to apply it, but I found it easier just to use my brush, and I'm going to go on the website and read about this. It retails for $18. It says Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive is a water-based cosmetic glitter glue that keeps loose makeup adhered to the skin. Includes a brush applicator for precise application and even placement. Glitter adhesive can be applied directly to the skin before applying the loose makeup. It can also be applied by pressing a small amount onto a makeup brush before picking up the loose makeup, and we've kind of gone through all that. So what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and show you guys a little little quick tutorial. Like I'm telling you, I'm not gonna go real in depth, just quick tutorial using the Sultry palette before I get into the method of applying the glitter. On a MAC 217 natural hair brush, I went in with birch on the outer corner first and then worked it into the crease and up as my transition shade. And then I also put that underneath the lower lash line using a Wayne Goss number 6 brush. Back in with the MAC 217, I grabbed Dystopian and deepened up the outer corner a bit and also the crease, but did not take that as high. And then I wanted to kind of deepen it up just a little bit more, so I took Noir on a MAC 221 and only placed this on the outer V of the lid. Back in with the Wayne Goss number 6 and the shade Pearl. I took that and I applied it all over the lid, but I didn't use very much and I kind of buffed it out. I just wanted to have a base for the glitter. So my method of action with using the glitter glue was to kind of go in, add a little bit to the lid. So I took this and the little applicator and I dripped some onto my Petri dish. And then I took a synthetic brush. This is from Linda Hallberg. It's the 305. I did not get this soaking wet, but I started taking this and tapping it onto the places that I knew I wanted first. So starting at the front because I knew I wanted more of the glitter to be there, and then lightly over top of the black. And then I went in with another synthetic brush, which is the MAC 242, and I lightly dabbed into the mixture on my pan and then went into the glitter because I took my glitter and I just dumped a little bit onto my pan. So that helped keep the glitter on my brush. And then I started applying it to the lid and it worked like magic, like absolute magic. It just went on and I didn't have to keep layering it. It was so stinking pretty. So I found this to be pretty effortless. I think that if you wanted it to go in with just the glitter and the base already on your brush, you could totally do so, but with glitter and its tendencies to move around your face, I like that extra assurance. So I like having the base and then doing it the way that I did it. And so far I've had this on for 2 hours and I'm not seeing a bunch of fallout, so I'll have to let you guys know how this lasts during the day. I will leave a pinned comment down below. To finish off the eye look, I took a Zoeva 234 and the first shade in the palette, and I just kind of took that right at the brow arch, and then my highlighter, which is Dior Holo Pink, and I put it on my inner corner. Now, I'm going to insert a clip with my camera settings down really low and my flashlight, everything, because I felt like this looked very silver on camera because of how much light comes in. So I want you to be able to see how this actually looks because it's like gold and green and like all these different colors. It's really holographic and beautiful. Like, I don't know if it's holographic. I will use that term incorrectly, but it's so gorgeous. When I went back and looked at the footage, I was like, no, this is not a silver glitter. So hopefully you guys can see the difference and also in the swatches. So first impression wise, I love the shades that she came out with. I love the texture of them. Like I don't feel them on my eyes. I haven't gotten anything in my contacts or anything like that. I feel like this was really easy to use and not overly wet. And it didn't move my shadow either, which I was impressed by. Sometimes that lit glitter glue, which I'm not saying I don't like it, but sometimes it has moved my shadow underneath and I didn't have that problem with this. So I'm gonna have to let you guys know how it holds up, but I think this is beautiful. Like, I really like this. And the container for the glitter is genius. I'm so happy about, it's the little things in life. It's just the little things in life. I love how they put that little dispenser on there with a flipping cap and a top. Amazing. You guys let me know if you want to see any of these other shades used in maybe some holiday looks, and I will do that for you. Let me know down below if you plan on picking any of this up, if this was helpful, entertaining, anything at all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!